How to enable camera on Omegle on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable camera on Omegle on iPhone. To enable the camera on Omegle on iPhone, the first thing you need to do is open up the settings. Once you get into settings, click on search bar, then search for a camera and check out if you find the enable option in here. If you don't, then search for Safari. After that, open up the Safari and scroll down a bit in here. Then, choose the camera option from here. Make sure to allow the camera access right here. Also, you can go into the microphone and tap to allow the access of it as well. Lastly, scroll down and tap on the camera option. Then make sure you allow the mirror front camera option from here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.